Okay, dear ladies and gentlemen, but the most important thing is, dear friends, this is, I don't know exactly, fifth or sixth speech that I need to give, so I will try to be very short, and I will try not to be so official, because we organize this dinner as a welcome reception dinner, but in very friendly atmosphere and relaxed atmosphere. Once again, I would like to thank the President of the World and European Karate Federation, Mr. Antonio Espinosa, and the EC Board of the European Karate Federation, who gave us a very strong support, but the most important thing, the President gave a trust to me, to Croatian Karate Union, and to my team, that we are able to organize this big but the most important event for the European Karate Federation, and that in last 6 months we prepared this organization on this very high level. So please, once again, President Antonio, thank you so much, and I'm really enjoying that you are here as a president, and with all of you. I think that Croatian Karate Federation today reach, how to say, that we reach very good relations, that we confirmed very good relations with European Karate family, and that all of you really enjoying, not only in the sport venue, but that you are enjoying here in city of Poreč, unique city of Poreč, and Croatia. At the end, last year, the Croatian Karate Union celebrated 50 years of anniversary, but considering COVID-19 pandemic, we cannot celebrate 50 years, but we are here today, and with the organization of this championship, and with Croatian results on this championship, I cannot imagine better situation that we can celebrate these 50 years. And also here today I have two karate legends of Croatian karate who marked our history, and I would like, in the presence of the President of the World and European Karate Federation, to give them one small gift, the medals of this championship, as a thank what they did and what they reached for Croatian karate. First legend is Mr. Vjekoslav Šafranić. Vjeko, please come here. I really want to thank you for all you done in the past period of 50 years of the Croatian karate. Thank you so much.
Bravo! 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 Prekrasan poklon. Prekrasno priznanje.
And big supporter of Croatian karate, especially in modern history, the famous athlete 90s, and one of my best friends, champion Enver Idrizi. Enver, I don't know where you're here. Thank you so much. What you did in the history of Croatian Karate Federation, especially in 90s during modern history. Enver, thank you so much, and I hope that, how to say, you will stay until Sunday, and maybe tomorrow I can send you to speak with the referees, because we have one final. Joking. Thank you so much for everything you did for the Croatian karate, and really it's my pleasure in the presence with the president of the federation and with all these kind of people from IKF family to give you this present, the medals of the 56th European Championships here in Croatia. Anyway, thank you so much for everything.
Bravo! Brate, okreni ovamo.
Blizu.
Okreni, molim te.
Odi između.
Ajde ja neću vas dva.
Odi.
Ovo putuje sad za Kanadu odmah.
Ej, odite do predsjednika. Otvorite ovaj medalju.
Malo se uzbudio.
Niko.
Fenomenalno.
In any case,
Baš ste slatki.
I would like to congratulate also to the referees for the great job they did last 3 days of the eliminations, and I hope that in the next 2 days we have the most important work of this championship to choose the top of the athletes who will presenting the countries on the next Olympic Games in Tokyo. I hope that really you enjoy here in Poreču and in Croatia, and I hope that the most of all of you I will see in next 1 month during training camp of World Karate Federation and the Youth League in Poreču. I wish you all the best. Congratulate to all presidents who reach some results on this championship, and I really hope that from this championship you will take pleasant memory from Croatia and from city of Poreču. Thanks again and all the best to all of you.
Bravo.
Sipek, daj mi riječ. Daj mi riječ. Daj ti na ruskom.
Ej, ajde foto.
Ja bi se htio zahvaliti Hrvatskom karate savezu na čelu sa predsjednikom Davorom Cipekom.
Emica, molim.
5 rečenica pa ću ona.
Jeste čuli?
I would like to thank everyone from the Croatian Karate Union, especially their president, Mr. Cipek.
I ugodno sam iznenađen s ovim priznanjem. 50 godina i više, 54 godine sam u karate sportu.
I am very happy and surprised to receive this recognition. I am for 54 years in karate sport.
I nisam ovo očekivao priznanje ovdje večeras, ali velika mi je čast pred ovim auditorijem koji se ovdje nalazi na čelu sa predsjednikom Svjetske karate federacije i koji je moje godište. Prema tome mislim da smo najstariji, ali ipak mlađe izgledamo.
Nemoj se hvaliti više.
I didn't expect this recognition, but I'm very happy and pleased to receive it, especially here in front of all of you and Mr. Espinos, President of the World and European Karate Federation, with whom I share the age.
I želim da se svi ugodno osjećate ovdje u Hrvatskoj, u Poreču i uvijek ste dobro došli u Hrvatsku. Hvala lijepa.
Prevodi, daj, prevodi.
And I would like for all of you to feel welcome in Croatia this time and every time. And I would like you to spend amazing days here in Croatia until the end of the championship.
Hvala Šafro. Ja vas pozdravljam sviju isto, drago mi je da sam među vama. Hvala za ovu veliku nagradu. Mi imamo veliku sreću da imamo našeg presidenta koji je napravio veliko čudo u svjetskom karate i evropsku. I na najlepši način što nam je došao novi predsjednik Davor Cipek. Znači najveće komplimenti i svima vama, vi ste svi, tu smo svi isti koji smo radili. Hvala vam puno. Ja neću da se hvalim, ali znači ovo mi je najveća nagrada do sada. Hvala.
Reci da si najljepši. Da si najljepši.
Pusti.
I'm very happy and pleased to receive this award in front of all of you and in front of Mr. and President Cipek, who is an amazing person who helped me so much so far. And I forgot, but I am extremely pleased.
Najveća nagrada do sad.
And this is probably the best award I have received so far.
Okay, thank you.
In any case, if somebody took too much wine, this is not famous actor John Travolta, this is Enver Idris. in any case, what to say at the end. Cheers and for your health. Thanks.
Cheers.
Bravo.